Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change your Oppo device name. Go to the settings, scroll down and find the option About Phone. Tap on this. The first option is device name. Tap on this. By default, the device name is Oppo F5. Now remove the previous name and enter a new device name. Now go to the previous menu and you can see the device name is changed. So in this way you can change your Oppo device name. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.